Hi guys, this is the last part of the photosite project. In this project, we'll be deploying the application on AWS using Docker. So firstly, before starting with the AWS, I have to tell you one important thing. That is while using Docker, we had assets path in the image stack, whereas now we are using AWS. So we change it to the photosite photos.s3 because we should store pics to S3 bucket. So after changing, we have to push this change to the Docker because Docker image will be deployed into AWS. So we go to terminal. Go push. All right, now we could see the latest push. Yeah, so this is a repository photo site and it is pushed 1 minute ago, which we have done now. Now let's go back to the AWS. Or if you don't have any AWS account, please create one. Just signing in. All right, we are in. Now let us create an EC2 instance. You can see here the EC2. We go to instances, launch instance. We then select the AMI, Amazon Linux 2 AMI kernel 5.10 SSD volume type 64-bit. We select this. It is free tier eligible. So this is default T2.micro, free tier eligible. Go to next, configure instance details. There's nothing to change here as well. We go to storage. There's nothing to change here too. You can skip this as well. Yeah. Oh, So this is one of the most important part here. So the source we change it to anywhere, and we add a rule, custom TCP rule. The port range is 3000. The source anywhere. We now review and learn. We now launch it. Here we will be creating a new key pair. The key pair type is RSA and the key pair name is photo site KP. Let us name photo site KP. We download it, download the PIM file. Just save it somewhere safely. And now we launch the instances. Let us view the instance. So for now, the instance state is pending. Let us wait. It will change to the running state. Right now, the instance state is showing running. And now we'll be converting the .pem file to .ppk file using puttygen. If you don't have puttygen, please install it. Click on load. Make sure you select all files because it is not a ppk file which we are loading. To all files, select photo site kp.pem. We have successfully imported the foreign key. Save the private key. And now we can save it as, now we can save this. PK file, save it, and you can close the window. So now we generated a private key. Now let's create elastic IP from AWS. Hold on, you can see the elastic IPs. Click on allocate. Go ahead and click on allocate. There you can see the allocate IP for address. We put the IP for address and we associate the elastic IP address. And we select the instance which is running. And we click on associate. All right, elastic IP address associated successfully. So the next step is We open Putty. Host name, go to instances and copy the public IPv4 address and paste it here. The port number is 22. And go to data. Username would be EC2 user. Expand SSH. Go to auth. Click on browse. Select Putty PK. Open it and click open. Connected. After this, we will now create S3 bucket. The bucket name must be unique. I have to disable this because it is public. Yeah, so we have to click on I acknowledge checkbox and now so photo site buck1 is successfully created. We will now upload photos in files. So we added pictures. Now we click on upload. It is uploading. Upload succeeded. And now we have to give permissions. Go to S3. Permissions, and we shall edit the bucket policy. Click on policy generator. Type S3 bucket policy principal. Give a star. Nothing but the rest. All actions. We have to select two actions. One is get object and the second one is put object. Get object is selected and the ARN is nothing but the bucket ARN. Copy it and paste it. And we add statement and generate policy. I'm sorry, just a second. Forward slash and sorry about that. Generate the policy, copy the code. Was it? Go back to the bucket. Paste it. Save changes. Successfully rewrited the bucket policy. Now we are done with AWS services. Now let's get back to Putty. Now we shall run few commands. First one is sudo install docker. Getting installed. And then sudo docker. Now the last code. Sudo docker. Docker username repository site. It's that name. All right, now let's go back to the AWS instances. Copy the public IP address. Here you go. So this is running on EC2 server. You can see the users' names. Navigate through, through different users' names. The photo created comments. So this is it. So hence we have successfully deployed the application on AWS using Docker. Thank you.